Hi, Sheldon here with ESI again with another SQL video. So in our last SQL video, we looked at a couple of keywords we have up here, select and from. You could think of select as show me, first name, middle name, last name, from the table person.person. And what that did is it returned all 19,972 records. It just gave us the first, middle, and last name of these. So now we're going to we're going to introduce the keyword where, and we will use this to limit some of the records returned. So quick example would be, let's say I only want a list of people whose last name is Adams. So I can do where last name is equal to, and it's just the apostrophe, Adams. And so when I execute this, we'll notice only the records where the last name is Adams shows up, and it looks like that's 86 rows, which means 86 records. Capitalization does not matter. So if I change that to a lower a and I run it, I get the same thing where it returns 86 rows. If any of you have done any kind of coding or Visual Basic or whatever, another thing I could do would be list where the left portion of the left 1 characters of the last name equals A. So now this would give me everyone with the last name beginning with A. And you can do the same thing. SQL, various versions of it will also support like write. So maybe we want where the right character is E. I'm not really sure where that would be handy, but we can see where the only last name showing is where the last character, which is right, counting in 1, is E. If I wanted IE, I would set this to 2. Change this to IE. Now realize if I had kept this at 1, it should return no records, because what I'm telling it here is I want the single right character, the last character, to be IE. Well, that's 2 characters, so you'll never get anything there, right? Because 1 character can't equal 2 characters. So I'm going back to our original. We're now looking at all the records where the last name is Adams. Now realize select means show me. So I'm going to demonstrate what I mean by that. If we look at our full table, we can see that we have a title character or title column right here. And some of the titles are null, some are Ms., some are Mr. So I'm going to go back over here and say, show me where the title is equal to Mr. So even though we're not seeing title up here, it is used in the query. In fact, we can go ahead and pop it up here. And now you can see all the records returned are the ones where Mr. is the title. And I don't know if you noticed, but we have some that contain null. We can do that by saying is null. Now it is only showing records, looks like 18,000, where there is no title supplied at all. It is null. And again, you don't need to show everything that's going to be part of your query. As you can see here, we are basing our query where the title is null, yet we're not displaying it. while we're here, I'm going to go ahead and introduce another keyword or keywords, order by. So what this thing is doing now, what the query is doing, is just showing our records in the order they were put into the system. So you have record 1, then 2, then 3. There's no particular order. And we're doing it where the title is null, and we're just returning the first, middle, and last name. But I can add here order by, and let's say I want the last name in alphabetical order. I'll go ahead and order it by last name. Now we'll see it lists the records with the last name in alphabetical order. That is what you call ascending order, and that is assumed. I can also put up here DESC for descending order, and when we execute, you'll see we start with the Z's and work our way down. You can supply ascending, and it will give you the same thing as if you supplied nothing at all. It is preferred that you supply ascending, just so it makes it clear to people what you are trying to do. So I think that's it for this video. We introduced the where clause and the order by, ascending and descending. And thanks for watching.